Hello, today we want to talk about contract manufacturing. So what is contract manufacturing? Contract manufacturing is when you, the business owner, need to make a product. It may be a new product, it may be a sample product, it may be something that you want to try to attract investors with, but you don't have a manufacturing facility, you don't have equipment, you don't have people, and you don't have a lot of money to invest. A great way to make your product, make samples of your product, is to find a contract manufacturer. So this is what we want to tell you about today. We want to tell you what to look for in a contract manufacturer, how to find one, and how to pick one that's right for you. One of the great things about contract, or what we call outsourced manufacturing, is that you've got a lot of flexibility. If you need 1,000 products, 100 products, 50 products, whatever you need, the contract manufacturer will make that for you. That way you're not investing in a lot of expensive equipment, people, and facilities before you know the demand for your product. Another great thing about contract manufacturing is you can try out different designs without investing in a lot of expensive tooling, equipment, and facilities. You may have a great product idea, but you've got 5 or 6 variations or sizes, weights, materials that you want to try. Contract manufacturing allows you to do all that. So really, it's a great way for making samples of new products, new product ideas. It's also a great way to manufacture modifications or changes of existing products. Try them out, see if you like them. So there's a lot of ways that contract manufacturing can make sense for you, but the main things are you avoid investment in expensive equipment, factories, people, labor, etc. You avoid all of that. If you get a good contract manufacturer or outsourcer, you get a lot of experience. And this really cannot be emphasized enough. Manufacturing requires a lot of experience, knowledge, and know-how. If you go with a contract manufacturer, you'll get someone who understands different manufacturing processes, including assembly, hand assembly, industrial sewing, injection molding, different types of processes that you need to make your product. When you look for a contract manufacturer, an outsourcer, a provider of these type of services, here's the main things you need to think about. Does the provider offer references? A good outsourced manufacturer will have plenty of references for you to call and check on their work. The other thing you'll want to look at are the samples. Most contract manufacturers, all good ones, have sample product that they've manufactured for other people, and sometimes they'll have a display case or they'll keep them in the warehouse, but they'll be able to show you each and every product that they've made and talk about the process they went through to make it. The third thing to really think about is the contractor open to doing rework or remanufacturing? Many times when you make the first run of your product, or even second or third run, you'll find ways that you can improve the product, and you'll want to make those improvements sometimes by hand or by reassembly or by cleaning up those products to make them available in the market. We call that rework, and it's very common, and a good outsourcer of manufacturing will do that rework for you. The last thing you want to look at, and this may be one of the most important things, are how many production run or how many pieces will the contract manufacturer do for you. Many contract manufacturers will do 1,000,000 pieces or 100,000 pieces or some gigantic number of pieces. They'll do that for you because that makes them the most money. You don't always need that. You don't always want that. You may just want 1,000 pieces, 2,000 pieces, or sometimes as low as 100 pieces. A good outsourcer will take those low volumes for you. They understand that you don't have a lot of money initially. You're just trying a new product idea, and a good contract outsourcer will be able to scale up and down according to your needs. So these are the things you need to think about when you're looking for a contract manufacturer, a provider of outsourced manufacturing services. So in summary, if you've got a product idea, a product you want to change, you need manufactured samples. You need to have samples to show to the market. You need samples to find investors. You need samples to test your idea. The way to go get those samples is contract manufacturing. A contract manufacturer allows you to produce your product without spending a lot of money, without investing in equipment, and it's really the way to go. So how do you find contract manufacturers? Well, you can look on the internet, and generally you'll want to find a manufacturer's rep or representative. This is someone that's like a broker. They know all the manufacturers in your area, in your hometown, or wherever your business is located, and they can match up what you need with what the manufacturer does. What's great about using a broker is they bring many jobs to the manufacturers over a period of years. So they have a good relationship and they're able to get you the best possible price. If you approach a manufacturer on your own, sometimes you won't always get the best price because manufacturer doesn't know if you're going to be bringing back repeat business. But the manufacturer's representative or the broker brings a lot of repeat business to the manufacturer. So he or she is typically the best way to get a great price and get your product produced for the market. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.